Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a QQ account, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. So in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. First thing first, go ahead and make sure you open up your Play Store on Android phone. So I'm going to go ahead now and open up my Play Store. So if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. On getting to Play Store, go ahead and click on Search. Click on Search, then come to Search App and Games. Go ahead and type in QQ. Then hit on Search. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on this one right here. Just like so, it's going to take you right here. So at the time of making this video, 10 million plus have downloaded and installed this app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Install. After a successful download, go ahead and click on Open to run the setup. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and click on Allow. And next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to choose your country code. Then you have to select your country from the options right here. So from the list of the country right here, you need to make sure you select your country. So for me, my country is denoted with N. I'm going to go ahead and click on N right here. So having clicked on N, we still need to make sure we translate right here. And for that, there are so many translated apps that you can use. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use Google Translate. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and make a screenshot of this part. After make a screenshot of this part, I'm going to access from my QQ account, open my Google Chrome right here. Then after open up my Google Chrome, I will go ahead and click on this icon. Then I'm going to go ahead and select the screenshot and choose translate. Now I have translated this into English language, select country and region. So here, my country is this part right here. So what we want to do here is to make sure we locate that particular point in the country region. So this is about 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fourth one is Nigeria. So I will come back to QQ account registration right here. Come back right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is Nigeria. So I'll go ahead and select Nigeria. You can see 2, 3, 4 right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and enter my mobile phone number. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone number right here.